What's up guys, today's video is about the top 5 best record player with built-in speakers of this year through extensive research and testing to put together a list of options. So what are the price, performance, and particular use? For more information on the products? Do I have to include the links in the description box below, which is updated for the best prices? Like the video. Do comment and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 1. Victrola 8-in-1 record player with built-in speakers. Victrola is another reliable brand with a long history. In fact, it's one of the leading manufacturers in the phonograph industry. Its gorgeous product, Victrola 8-in-1, has all the elegance of a vintage-style player while yet being packed with completely up-to-date features. This all-in-one solution has everything you might want in a mini stereo system, a built-in Bluetooth, CD and cassette playbacks, and FM radio. Furthermore, the deck includes stereo speakers that deliver clean mids, lots of air in the highs, and not perfect but satisfactory bass. You may connect this player to external speakers via the RCA jack, and the headphone port is ideal for late-night listening. You don't even have to get up off the couch to change the song due to the supplied full-function remote control. Unlike many other turntables on the market, this babe can spin your records at 3 speeds, 33 1/3, 45, and 78 RPM, allowing you to enjoy any vinyl format. The strong hardwood body effectively suppresses vibrations, enhancing sound quality. Finally, this turntable has a lovely retro style and doesn't require any additional equipment to get started. It's a plug-and-play type. Pros: gorgeous, rich design. Durable wood body. Smooth performance. Includes 3 additional needles. Cons: the sound is slightly tinny, with little bass. The stylus may skip through records. Number 2. Crosley K200A record player with built-in speakers. A classic turntable with modern advancements, Crosley K200A is perfect for any sound enthusiast. This latest addition to Crosley's popular line of turntables has many upgraded features that improve performance and create an optimal listening experience. First off, it has a direct-drive high-torque motor engineered to maintain consistent speed more reliably over time. It can accommodate 2 common speeds, 33 1/3 and 45 RPM, catering to every genre you enjoy. The S-shaped curved aluminum tone arm with a replaceable and upgradable needle ensures you simply get in the groove. The player also includes a built-in switchable phono amp with detachable RCA cables, allowing easy hookup into speakers or a home stereo system. The durable aluminum platter adds to the impactful sound that this unit gives off, while the felt slip mat ensures your records won't be damaged. Finally, the Crosley K200A includes 2 two-way powered Bluetooth speakers that blast your audio in high definition. Besides, the Bluetooth connectivity allows you to connect your gadgets to the speakers to play audio when not using the turntable. Pros: simple yet high-quality setup. User-friendly, you can use it right out of the box. Compact, easily fits even in a dorm room. Can be upgraded with your own speakers. Includes a removable dust cover. Cons: most of the construction is plastic, but the sound quality is still close to more expensive turntables. Number 3. ION Audio Max LP record player with built-in speakers. I love this latest model from ION. Compact, simple, and offering plenty of style and connectivity options, you can hook this turntable up to your PC and upload your vinyl collection, or use the USB port to connect to your smartphone and stream the latest digital tracks. It also features Bluetooth, and the speakers give you pretty good bass output for the size. It also has RCA jacks, so you can hook up to external speakers for a much more powerful sound, if you prefer. The ION Audio Max LP plays all 3 record speeds and is a solid buy for anyone looking for a more versatile setup at a great price. Pros: amazing value for money. Bluetooth capability. Dual surround stereo speakers with strong bass. RCA outputs so you can connect to external speakers. Can record vinyl to MP3. Cons: while the speakers are great for the size, they can't match good external ones. Number 4. Victrola VSC 550BT Suitcase record player. Victrola is a company that has managed to stay relevant, even after being in business for over 100 years. Their latest suitcase-style turntable comes in a variety of colors and patterns, giving it that almost custom feeling that any potential buyer will love. Aside from looks, it also comes with simple controls, built-in speakers, and a lightweight portable design that allow you to pack up your vinyl collection and take it with you wherever you go. This record player has good speakers for the size, but they can't match good external ones. Luckily, it also has RCA outputs, so you can connect to external speakers. The Victrola Suitcase player can handle all three common vinyl speeds and sizes. It now even comes with Bluetooth capability. Pros: inexpensive. Great sound quality for the speaker size. Plays all common record speeds and sizes. RCA outputs for external speakers. Bluetooth capable. 33 color options. Fully automatic queuing. Cons: flimsy tone arm. Cheap platter. Number 5. Digitnow Turntable Stereo System. The Digitnow record player is another complete system that comes with a CD player, a cassette player, and AM/FM radio. The major differences between it and the Navigator are that the Digitnow model has a modern design and that it comes with detachable external speakers. Those speakers give it the best sound quality out of the box of any player on this list. However, these speakers are good, but not amazing. You can hook any of the other players up to better speakers and get better sound. Of course, you could hook this one up to better speakers, too. Like all the other models, this one also has Bluetooth capability that allows you to play music from any Bluetooth device. It also has USB and SD slots that allow you to record your vinyl music to the digital format. Pros: plays CDs, cassettes and AM/FM radio. Plays music from external devices via Bluetooth or AUX in. Comes with detachable stereo speakers. Can record vinyl to MP3 using USB or SD slots. Plays all three speeds. Cons: can't record vinyl to CD. Speaker cables too short. Bass is turned too high for some. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.